Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the update on Stellar. On the daily time frame chart, the price on a Stellar is still getting accumulated at this support of 31.2 cents. By the way, also the recent swing low point before the breakout, this down channel as well, that we tested this support here and here and here. Despite this long spike to the downside, the price and could not break down this support. We tested this very long-term support zone, by the way, from 27 to 25 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone from 27 to 25 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here, support here, and now again it worked as a very, very nice support, and the price then geared up. And now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price then is also moving at this red line. That is the exponential moving average 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. That is a very, very strong support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge for the past 2 years. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a very, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for BSW, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, and you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. Like this trade signal I shared on 3rd of January 2024 with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Stellar. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And finally, we broke out the resistance of the channel. But after the breakout, we found very, very strong resistance on here. We had this very long-term downtrend line resistance that was, by the way, found here on 24th of November. We got rejection here, two more rejections here, then we got a few more rejections here. And we also found this very strong resistance from 45 to 51 cents that was previously working as a support zone. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone. And we also found this uptrend line resistance as well. You can see that we got so many rejections by this uptrend line resistance. And finally, after getting rejected by this all these resistance levels, the price then dropped down and tested this very long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. That is a very, very strong and long-term support zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously working as a resistance here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it worked as a very, very strong support zone. The price line just had a spike inside this support zone and geared up, and even did not break down this support of 31.2 cents. That was also a recent swing low point before the breakout from this down channel. Now, you can see that for the past few days, it is struggling to break out this EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart that is now working as a resistance. By the way, on the 7 day time frame chart, we are still having the very long-term support of EMA 21. But on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it is trying to break it out. It is breaking as a resistance. On the 7 days time frame chart, it is working as a very nice support. But on the daily time frame chart, we have broken it down. And for the past several days, it is working as a resistance. In case of breaking it out, it can reach the resistance, very long-term resistance of 40 cents. Along with that, it can also hit this downtrend line resistance as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos still here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 63 cents. And now if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that is a quite similar move to the previous one that I've been showing you back in 2019 to 2020 when it was moving inside this channel. I was telling you in those days that this is the bullish fast move. And after the breakout from this channel, our technical target will be here at the top of the channel that was at that time at 50 cents. But this time, the technical target that I was telling you for this breakout from this wedge, that was here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And I've been telling you for the past 2 years that soon we may hit the target after the breakout from this wedge. And now you can see that finally, it took time, But finally, now we are about to hit that target. So far, it has rallied up to approximately 64 cents here at 63.7 cents. And now we are very close to hit this target from 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.